Hello YouTubers, today's project switching keys on a Kwikset smart lock. It could be useful for a few different reasons. Let's say if you have a renters. This is, by the way, the instructions which I'm gonna follow over here in the bottom. So I mean, if you rent your house or building to somebody and then they didn't return the key, or you lost the key, or somebody stole the key, different reasons. So sometimes you have to change the lock for whatever reason you pick. So that's my new key over here. As you can see, it's basically just doesn't work. That's the old key that you can lock and unlock. So how it works, you slide the key, you're gonna turn it to the right, then slide this smart key tool. You gotta slide it fully and firmly all the way. It doesn't go fully, in my opinion. So you remove the key now. Let's see if it was fully. Slide the new key, turn it all the way 180 degrees to the other side, then 90 degrees to the top, slide out, and that supposedly should make the new key work. Yeah, so I guess it's not that. It's actually super easy. It doesn't have to go super firmly. You unlock, you lock, the new key works. So let's do the same thing on the deadlock. As you can see it over here, it doesn't work. See, that's the new key, that's the old key. That's locked. Now at this point I have to slide the smart key tool in this little tiny keyhole. I guess you could feel something. Then you remove the smart key, the old key, slide the new key inside, turn it 180 degrees the opposite way, then vertical, remove it, and it should be done. Lock, unlock. That's it. That's how you switch the old key to a new key in a Kwikset smart lock. If you have a problem like that or project like that, it's super simple. I mean, you can change it basically like forever. If you lose the key and you're afraid somebody can get in with that old key or something, that's the process you have to. And to prove that it changed, so here's the old key. The old key doesn't work anymore. Same way over here. That's it. The key been switched to the new keys. Thank you for watching.